So it's time to go plowing again. We are in the middle of a actual blizzard, and I'm going to use the time to try and move some of the snow now before tomorrow morning when I can't get out. So do another cold start, and then we're going to do a little bit of plowing in a blizzard. Sounds like fun. Oh yeah, it's cold out too. Okay, so finally got those doors open. And if anyone's wondering, a 16-foot tall sliding door in a 20 to 30 mile an hour wind is not a lot of fun to get open. So, but I got them open, and the truck is almost warm. Looks like it's about 160 degrees, something like that. And we're gonna see what we can do in the yard here. We got a couple big drifts we got to try and bust through, and I don't think I'm gonna do a perfect job of getting it cleaned out, but I think I'm gonna do what I can. So, let's see if this thing will stay running. Oh, let's start here. If you've ever messed around with drifting snow, it's heavy and it pushes hard. So let's get up through here. I had all this cleaned out yesterday, believe it or not. The blade is turning. Let's see if I can fix that. Probably one cylinder's empty. It's getting filled up here. There it goes. Alright, that one's full. Now that one's full. Now we can go. So let's see if we can get through this. This up here by the bales is probably only a foot or two deep. That's not so bad. But up there by the barn, that's probably 3.5, 4 feet deep. Let's see if we can get through that. Get stuck here. See if we can get good and clear. See if we can back up. Uh-oh. We might be stuck. I think I'm gonna have to dig. I'll be back. Okay, so about 45 minutes have passed, and I was really stuck. So I dug, and I dug, and I dug some more, and I was still stuck. So I broke down, and I walked back to the shed, and I fired up the 806, and I got me unstuck. So I am now unstuck, but I'm not sure what to do, if I can get through these drifts or not. But I suppose I might as well keep trying. So I learned a couple things. Number one, the truck is stoppable. And number two, that 806 starts really good because I didn't have it plugged in. There's no heat. Didn't have the battery charger on it or anything. So it's 5 degrees out, and other than pulling the choke cable, which was really stiff, once I got that pulled, it fired right off and kept running, and we were good to go. So wish I could have got a video of the tractor pulling the truck out, but I'm kind of doing this by myself, so Anyway, I don't know. I'm probably gonna stop filming because I've had enough embarrassment for one day. Okay, so finally broke through that drift, and thought maybe I'd keep filming. So here we go. Let's see how this goes. Do like I did on the other one and turn the blade. That seemed to work pretty good. This might not be as long, which would be helpful. Maybe on this one a straight blade would be better because it's already at an angle. There they go. Sort of. Oh, this truck. There. That was helpful. Listening to the weather report, blizzard is now officially over. Which, I suppose, strictly speaking, it probably is, but it's still plenty windy. So, this is how we do it. A little at a time. This is the end of our driveway. As far as the eye can see, snow. That's our road. I have the feeling I'm not going to work tomorrow. That's to the north. And I can't see to the south because of the snow. You can trust me. There's snow down that way too. Can't go left, can't go right. Snow.